Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to copy a TradingView indicator script in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then log into your account if you haven't already. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. This is the greatest deal of the year, and in this particular deal you will get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. Only around 2 days left in this deal, so if you are interested, make sure that you explore the offers and hurry up. Now on this page, click on the option of products or click on the option of this search bar here on the top and launch any of the charts in front of you. Once you are inside your chart, click on the option of indicators, then go to my scripts and click on the option of the script that you have created. Now once you have the script available, it will show here in the bottom section. So click on the option of Pine Editor, and as you can see, it is going to show you the script that you have added here for this indicator. Now in order to copy it, you just have to simply click anywhere here on this page, then press Ctrl plus A. Once you see this type of selections, you just have to press Ctrl plus C. Now this way you will be able to copy it. In order to use it, click on the three dots on the top right hand corner, then select the option of New tab. You can also click on the option of New window in order to open this script in a new window. Now a blank page will be opened in front of you, so you just have to paste the script which you have copied and then simply give your script a name. After that, click on the option of save and add it to cart so that it could easily apply on your chart. So this way you will be able to copy the TradingView indicator script which is created by yourself. Now if you want to copy the script from other person, you will see the Pine editor there too. So if the script has no logged icon, you will be able to copy that script, but if the script has the logged icon, you won't be able to copy that unless and until the original owner of that script grant you the permission. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.